Hi, welcome back guys. Today we are talking about how to use field maps in Excel. Why would you want to know how to use field map in Excel? Well, maybe you are new to Microsoft Excel. So today I am going to show you how to use field maps in Excel. Okay, now we have a table, head, state and amount. Let's mark it and go to insert, then charts and maps. Let's choose field map. Okay, now let's change the size and the chart style. Let's get dark one, then add chart, eliminate data table. Let's show it. That easy, guys. There you go. If you want to know how to use field maps in Excel, that's the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to use field maps in Excel, please leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.